Hey guys, it's Stephen Price with Grow Together. I got a question for you, okay? If there was somebody just like you, would you run around with them? Yeah, would you hang with them? So think about that. Would that person be encouraging to you? If it was you, would they say, "Hey, way to go, Steve! I like the way you did that job, man. That was great," or would they be kind of critical of you, almost to the point where you don't want to be with yourself? You know, how we treat each other is so important. We may not think sometimes that how we say something or even the words that we use are important, but you know what? We all know that they make a difference. And we want to be people that, I'll say, encourage each other. God tells us in His Word that we should be encouraging. So it definitely does make a difference. And you know those people sometimes that you think, oh, do I have to be around that person? I'm not trying to be negative, but we all have them. We all know them. People that you just think, man, I wish they'd just get right. And I wish it'd be encouraging to me. Hey, it reminds me of this story that I heard about these frogs. And these frogs were just hopping through the forest, okay? And all of a sudden, one of these frogs fell in this deep, deep hole. Man, and all the frogs were looking over down at him. They were saying, "Oh, you're going to die. You're just going to die." And man, he just kept jumping. He just kept jumping his heart out. And they kept going, "Oh, don't waste your strength. You're going to die. Don't keep doing that." But he just kept jumping and jumping to finally he jumped completely out of that hole. And they said, "Didn't you hear us?" He said, "Oh, no, I'm deaf. I thought you were encouraging me." Sometimes we just have to be deaf to those things that aren't encouraging to us. But do listen to those encouraging things. Hey, let's make it our point this week to encourage somebody. When you come across somebody, find something about them that you can encourage them. Call one of your kids, or call your mom, or call your dad, or call somebody and just say, "You know what? I want to encourage you today. I like the way that you do something." Find something good, okay? Hey, this is Stephen Price on Grow Together, and anything's possible with God.